Hello everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how you can work a provisional cast on. A provisional cast on can be used for a double folded edge like I'm showing you here. This is a really nice finish and it's also very stretchy. You can also use it to reveal live stitches later and knit in both directions. You need your working yarn and a contrasting yarn, a crochet hook and your knitting needle the same size. Start with a slip knot and chain 3 stitches. Grab your knitting needle and bring it between your working yarn and your crochet hook. Now to make your first stitch, crochet a chain stitch, bring your working yarn around the needle to the back and chain another stitch. We have already 2 stitches on your needle. Now bring your working yarn to the back again and chain another stitch. Repeat these 2 steps until you have the stitches on your needle you need for your project. After you have cast on all your stitches, work an additional chain 3. Break your yarn and pull it through. To mark the side where you have to unravel your provisional cast on later, make a little knot in it, but don't pull it too tight. Now grab your main yarn and start knitting your project. After you are finished with your project, we want to unravel our provisional cast on again. There are a few different techniques and I wanted to show them to you. But first we have to unravel our knot and open up our slip knot again. The first technique is by unraveling it stitch by stitch. But this is a technique I wouldn't recommend to beginners because you can easily lose a stitch this way. You unravel your provisional cast on very carefully and then pick up your stitches, your live stitches, with your knitting needle. I'm using a smaller size knitting needle. The second method is you are picking up your left or right stitches from your knitting project. This method is way easier and you are not in danger to lose any stitches. Just go really slowly and make sure to not split your yarn. If you split the yarn, the unraveling later becomes very difficult. After you have picked up all your stitches, just unravel your provisional cast on. It's like magic, isn't it? Now for the third and final technique, you can pick up the little pearl bumps in the back. They are very visible, and this is also an easy way to pick up your stitches. Just pick up your pearl bump in the back of your knitting. I would recommend a smaller needle size. I didn't use it here, so it's a little bit tighter, and I'm having a few difficulties picking up the tight stitches. But it's not impossible, it just takes a little longer. Make sure again to not split your yarn, because unraveling it later when you split your yarn becomes a bit more difficult. Slowly pick up all your stitches. After you have picked up all your stitches, you can unravel your cast on. And when you didn't split the yarn, it goes really easy and smooth. And this is how you work a professional cast on. I hope this video helped you, and if you like it, give a thumb up and subscribe.